Solution for question number 1, that is from chapter 2. Let's read through the question first. We have an object is thrown with an angle 37 degree with horizontal as shown in figure 1. If the initial velocity of the object is 50 meter per second, so this is our value of u, find the time of motion. So the first item that we want to find out, the maximum height, second item, and the horizontal distance. So make sure we know all the symbols of the quantity that we want to find out, height and also SS. Okay, height you can also write down as SY. So to find time of motion, we actually have two options. Okay, so find time. The first thing is to find the time of motion, or we call it as time of flight. Okay, so the first method is we have SY is equal to 0, meaning that it is the time taken from the initial point until it reached the final point here. Okay, so you can see that the initial level and the final level is equal, so SY is equal to 0. So for using this information, we are applying equation SY is equal to UYT minus half GT squared. Okay, so we substitute SY as 0. Our initial velocity for y-axis is 50 sine 37. T minus half, G is 9.81 T squared. Okay, so we are going to have 50 sine 37 equal to half 9.81 T. Okay, one of the T is cancelled out. Okay, you're putting all the values in your calculator, then you'll have your time of flight is 6.13 seconds. Make sure your calculator mode is in degree. Another option or another method of solving this question, that is we consider time of flight is equal to 2 half time taken for half of the journey, meaning time taken for reaching the maximum height, T1, and also when it goes down until it reaches the final point, T2. So how to solve this? Okay, we are applying equation Vy is equal to Uy minus GT1. Okay, so at maximum height, our Vy is equal to 0. Then we'll have 0, 50 sine 37 minus 9.81 T1. Then you're supposed to have your T1 as 3.0125. Okay, then to get your time of motion, it is equal to, you're supposed to have the same answer as the previous method. So that is time of motion. Next, to find the maximum height, or the symbol is SY. Okay, again we are applying the information that at maximum height our Vy is equal to 0. Then we are applying the equation of Vy is equal to Uy minus 2GSY. So 0, 50 sine 37 degree minus 2, 9.81 SY. Then you will have your SY is equal to 1.53 meter. Okay, so this is for maximum height. And the third quantity to find is horizontal distance, SS. Okay, so we just apply the equation of Fx is equal to SS is equal to UXT. So we have got T, so UX is equal to 50 cos, okay, 37 degree, and our T is equal to 6.13 second. Okay, your horizontal distance supposed to be 244.98 meter.